Fitment. Compatible with 07-13 Sierra 1500 2500 HD, 3500 HD. Bulb model, 9005 high, H11 low beam, bulbs not included. Beam type, reflector. Package included, 1 pair of headlights, driver and passenger side, great for show use or to replace old and worn headlights. Plug-and-play operation, direct bolt-on OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit, requires no modification or drilling. A headlight, headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. These look incredible and were a huge upgrade for my 2008 GMC Sierra. I added some clear silicone to the light just to ensure no water leakage and I was very impressed.